Okay, we're on problem number 10. I do want to remind you, my name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And again, if I'm not overwhelmed with emails, I'll certainly get back to you. What am I looking forward to hearing from? People that tell me how to improve the document, all right? And again, constructive criticism is always welcomed, and to improve the document is a good thing. This document is incredibly long. It's 2,472 pages at this point. A lot of work has gone into it, and what I'm going to encourage you, if you see an error or if you have a comment that might help improve the document, reach out to me. If I'm not overwhelmed, I'll get back to you. If I do read your email and I decide to use your suggestion, I'll certainly include your name within the document. Thank you. So what I'm going to do now is problem number 10, and to do that, I'm going to go to the whiteboard. All right? So give me a moment, and let me go to the whiteboard. Give me 1 second to get to the whiteboard. Let me push this out of the way. It's an older problem. And, I'm certainly all I'm saying is that I know this is just like the prior problem, but it's more abstract now. What I mean by that, they're giving me the first term in harmonic, which is a plus b over a minus b, and they're asking me what the middle term is. Now, I just don't know what it is. And what's this guy over here? It's going to be a squared minus b squared, a squared plus b squared. Now, this is harmonic, so what am I going to do is go back to what I know, which is the arithmetic. And what's the arithmetic going to be? Well, it's fairly easy to do. It's just going to be the reciprocal. And once I know that middle term, I'll be able to get it. So it's going to be a minus b. This is the arithmetic part of it, a plus b. And this would be a squared plus b squared, and that's going to be a squared minus b squared. It's pretty easy to get the middle term, by the way. What do? Just add these two terms together and divide by 2. So I'll write that down for you. So to get this one over here, it's going to be add the two terms together and divide by 2. So what are the two terms? Fairly easy to do. It's a squared plus b squared over a squared minus b squared plus a minus b over a plus b. All right, let's write this down now. I have to do that. And a common denominator. The common denominator is actually a squared minus b squared. And you're going to get a squared plus b squared plus, let's take a look at that. So I have to multiply a minus b to get that common denominator. So it's going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. All right? Oops. All right, I got to keep going. I know it's hard, but we need to keep going. And it's going to be 2a squared minus b squared. And on top, you actually get 2a squared minus 2ab plus 2b squared. Well, I see I can divide by 2 now. And what do you get? A squared minus ab plus b squared over a squared minus b squared. Long road, right? So what do you get over here? A squared minus b squared. That's the bottom. And then a squared minus ab plus b squared. All right, mistakes happen. I've said it a dozen times. What you need to do is look at the key to make sure you've got the same answer I'm giving you, all right? So what answer did I give you? I definitely said a squared minus b squared on top, and then I got a problem on the bottom, and I didn't see that, so I got to do the problem again. And how does that occur? I must have made a mistake somewhere. Oh, I'm sorry, not a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm misreading. That's there. There's no mistake. I was looking at a different thing and said, how'd they get that? But we got the right answer. We got it. All right? Sorry about that. I got confused looking at my own key. Thank you.